Welcome to another video that's all about boosting your body's natural defenses. Today, we're diving into the world of immune-boosting nutrients and habits that'll have your immune system working overtime to keep you feeling your best. Stick around, because these 10 habits might just be the secret weapon you've been looking for. Please don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell and notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Now let's get started. Now that you're armed with these 10 powerful habits, it's time to put them into action. Which one are you going to start with today? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health-boosting tips. Did you know that what you eat can be like a superhero cape for your immune system? That's right. Your fork can be your first line of defense against those pesky germs. But before we reveal our top 10 immune-boosting habits, let me ask you this: how many times did you get sick last year? Well, get ready to slash that number. 10 key nutrients and habits for immune function. Vitamin C powerhouse, load up on citrus fruits, bell peppers, and broccoli. This antioxidant superhero helps produce white blood cells, your body's germ-fighting ninjas. Zinc to win it, oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc, which helps your immune cells function at their best. Vitamin D sunshine, get your daily dose of sunshine or consider supplements. Vitamin D is crucial for activating immune defenses. Probiotic party, yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods support your gut health, where 70% of your immune system resides. Garlic goodness, this pungent bulb contains allicin, a compound that fights bacteria and infections. Turmeric magic, this golden spice's active compound, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Green tea time, packed with antioxidants, green tea can give your immune system a gentle boost. Berry blast, berries are rich in antioxidants that can help your body fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Hydration station, water helps carry oxygen to your cells, flushes out toxins, and supports overall immune function. Sleep sanctuary, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Your body repairs and strengthens its immune system while you snooze. Remember, a strong immune system isn't built overnight, but with these habits, you're well on your way to becoming a healthy superhero. Incorporate these nutrients and practices into your daily routine, and watch as your body becomes a fortress against illness. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.